Today we're taking a look at this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE wheelchair accessible van. It's equipped with an ATS rear-entry manual fold-out ramp system. If you're looking for a practical, reliable, and easy-to-use mobility van with incredibly low mileage, this Grand Caravan is a great option. This van has only 25,900 miles, making it a low mileage choice with plenty of life left. It's powered by Dodge's dependable 3.6-liter V6 engine, giving you smooth performance for daily driving, appointments, errands, and longer trips. On the outside, this Grand Caravan has a clean white exterior, giving it a simple and professional look. Inside, you'll find a durable black cloth interior that's comfortable, practical, and easy to maintain. Now let's take a look at all the accessibility features. This van is equipped with an ATS Rear-Entry Conversion with a manual fold-out ramp. One of the benefits of the manual rear-entry system is its simplicity. There are fewer powered components to worry about, and the ramp is straightforward to operate. Once inside, the lowered floor provides an impressive 92 inches in length by 31 inches of width, giving the wheelchair passenger plenty of space for maneuverability and secure positioning. Rear-entry vans are also a great option for parking lots and tighter spaces, since you don't need extra room on the side of the vehicle to deploy the ramp. Simply load from the rear, secure the wheelchair, and you're ready to go. What really makes this van stand out is the combination of low mileage, simple manual operation, and a spacious rear entry layout. The ATS conversion is practical, reliable, and easy to maintain, making this a strong choice for families, caregivers, transportation providers, or anyone needing everyday wheelchair accessibility. Again, this is a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SE with only 25,900 miles, features that ATS rear-entry manual fold-out ramp system, and a spacious 92-inch lowered floor. So if you're interested in this wheelchair-accessible van, contact Automobility store today. We offer financing options, warranty options, nationwide delivery, and real mobility specialists who are here to help you find the right vehicle for your needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other wheelchair-accessible vans here at Automobility store.